How to mark conversation as read on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mark conversation as read on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and let's see this conversation here. Just hold on it, and then here you will see these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it, and this one, mark as read. Just click on it, and as you see, that's it. It's easy, and you can make it as unread again just by click here, and that's how to make it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.